In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to your Xero account. If you're new to Xero or haven't logged in for a while, no worries, I've got you covered. Let's go through this step-by-step and get you into your account as smoothly as possible. To start, you'll want to open up a web browser of your choice. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, whichever you're most comfortable with. Once you've got that open, head over to a search engine like Google where you're going to type in Xero. You'll see a list of results pop up, and you're going to want to click on the one that says Xero, accounting software for small businesses. This should take you directly to the Xero homepage. When you arrive at the Xero homepage, take a look in the top right corner of your screen. There you'll see the Login button. Go ahead and click on that. This will direct you to the Xero login page, where you'll enter your credentials. First up is your email address. Make sure you enter the email that's associated with your Xero account. It's important to double-check for any typos, because even a small error will prevent you from logging in. Once you've entered your email, it's time to put in your password. Remember, passwords are case-sensitive, so ensure your caps lock is off unless your password includes capital letters. After that, look for the Login button and click it. You should be on your way to accessing your account. But not so fast. There's an additional layer of security called multi-factor authentication, or MFA for short. Xero offers this to enhance the security of your account. However, for today, we're going to skip this step, but I highly recommend setting it up later. MFA gives you that added peace of mind, knowing your financial data is protected. Now, you're in. You should see your Xero dashboard in front of you. From here, you can start diving into your accounting, whether it's managing invoices, checking on cash flow, or tracking expenses. You're all set to go. This dashboard is the command center of your Xero experience. It might be a good idea to familiarize yourself with some of the basic features if you're new to the platform. And there you have it. Logging into Xero is a straightforward process once you know the steps. Remember, the key to a smooth login experience is keeping your credentials secure and setting up multi-factor authentication for that added layer of protection. Thanks for joining me today, and happy accounting.